There are times when you get emails, you get put on a list, and you don't want to unsubscribe to it because A, maybe they don't have an unsubscribe button, which is a problem, or B, you're not really sure it works or you've proven it doesn't work, but you still want to get rid of those email messages. And you don't want to mark them as spam or block them. If I go here and click on LastPass, I can go over here to the three dots and I can block them. Now block them, it sends them to spam. But there's nothing really wrong with LastPass. I just don't want their emails anymore. So instead of using the unsubscribe button, here's the other alternative. Bring that email message up and look at it. Hit the three dots and filter messages like this. When you do that, by default, it's going to say this message from do not reply support at lastpass.com. Go here to click create filter. When you create the filter, just simply go right straight to delete it. Again, I don't want to mark it as spam. I don't want to block it. I just want to simply delete it. You don't need to mark it as red. Just click the delete button and hit create filter. By the way, I can say also apply this filter to any matching conversation in my inbox right now. But whichever, click create filter. Now, any new email messages you get from LastPass, specifically do not reply support at lastpass.com, they will be immediately deleted and sent into your trash. Now, if you see a new message from LastPass that is unread, then that tells me it's working. So that task is working. You didn't need to unreply, you didn't need to mark it as spam, or you didn't need to block it. Now let's say that maybe you want to undo that. So here's how you undo that. Go to settings, under see all settings, go to filters and block messages, and there it is right there. From do not reply support at lastpass.com, it's going to delete it. But if I want to undo that, just delete that filter, and now all new emails that come from LastPass will stay in my inbox. You don't need to subscribe, you don't need to always unsubscribe, you don't need to always block, you don't need to always mark them as spam. You could just simply automatically delete them.